Hi friends, today we will see very important question of digital electronics, that is how we can find r's complement and r minus 1 complement of a number. This is nothing but you always hear one's complement and two's complement. It is similar like that. So for finding r's complement and r minus 1 complement, mainly we have to consider or we have to keep in mind three uh, rules. First rule is for finding r's and r minus 1 complement, number should be in base r format. What is the mean? Mean, if our number is base 2 format, so we can only uh, find one's complement and two's complement. And if our number is base 8 format, so we can find 7's complement and 8 complement only. And if our base is 16, so we can find only 15th complement and 16th complement. So for finding any r or r minus 1, base should be in r format, or in reverse way we can say, if base is in r format, so we can find r minus 1 or r's complement only. And second rule is for finding r minus 1 complement, subtract every digit of the number from r minus 1 value. So if we have to find r minus 1 complement, so we have to subtract every digit, every separate digit from r minus 1 value. R minus 1 value means if we have to find one's complement in this case, so every digit inside eigen coefficient, it is divided in 111 value. And if we have to find 7th complement and base is r, means r is equal to 8, so every digit whatever written in as a number in base 8 format, that should be divided into uh, 777, like that. So for finding r minus 1's complement, subtract every digit of the number from r minus 1 value. Whatever is the base, subtract 1, and from that value subtract every digit. And for finding r's complement, add 1 in LSB side of result found in r minus 1's complement. So whatever we will find in r minus 1's complement, uh, we have simply add 1 uh, in this value, so we can get r's complement of that number. We will understand it with an example. So first we see what is that. Here we can see a flow. Base r number, if we have base r number, so for finding r minus 1's complement, directly subtract every digit of the number in r minus 1 value, and after finding r minus 1's complement, add 1 in r minus 1's complement value and find the r's complement value. So going forward, take an example and understand with an example. So here I am taking binary number, uh, and uh, with this binary number we have to find one's complement, two's complement, seventh complement, eighth complement. So first we try to find one's complement. We can say that here r is equal to 2. So one's complement will be r minus 1's complement. So uh, use this formula. How many number it is? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 number. So first write the number 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So divide this number in r minus 1 value. So here we can say 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is the ones complement. Uh, this this number is nothing but inverted of these bits. See here 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 0 2 1 and 0 to 1 1 to 0 1 to 0, like every bit has been inverted. And by the inverting the number we can find one's complement if it is in base 2 number. And for finding r's complement means 2's complement, we have simply add 1 in the lsb side. So 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is the 2's complement of the given number. I think you are familiar with this one's complement and two's complement of a number. But how we can find the seventh complement or eighth complement with this base 2 number? For that we see, first we have to convert this binary number into base 8 number. After that we can find r minus 1 means seventh complement and r's complement. So first we convert this number into base 8 number. Right, make a pair of 3 3. If you not seen my previous video, go through the uh, fifth video of this playlist. You can understand how I converting this number into base 8 number directly. So number is 7 uh, 7 4 7 4. So this number is 7474, which is in base 8 number. If you not understanding how I am converting this base 2 to base 8 directly, please see fifth video of this playlist, digital uh, playlist. You can understand the shortcut method. So this is in base 8 number. For finding seventh complement or r minus 1 complement, we have to subtract every digit of this number. Every digit of this number is subtracted from r minus 1 value. So 7 7 7 7 4 7 4 7. So subtract it 0 3 0 3. So uh, this will be seventh complement. And if we have to find 8 complement, so 8 directly 1, so it will be 1303. This is the 8th complement of this given number. So I think you understand the conversion of any number into another base, and also you are able to find the complement if it is given in any other bases. And if this number is given in base 8 number, so you can directly apply this rule. Means subtract every digit from 777, and after that add 1, it become its complement. So I think you understand it very well. If you understand this, please like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.